Josh with Jack's All Trades, and as with the other videos, we're doing a garage door opener upgrade. I'm getting ready to take the old opener down. Have the old opener already, or the new opener mostly put together. So the stage we're at now is tearing the old one down and hanging the new one and finishing the final setup, getting the adjustments made to it, programming it for the up and down travel, and getting all of the remotes programmed. So we're actually already unhooked the opener from the door, and we're getting ready to drop the old one now. So just watch with us and we'll see how it goes.
What did you take out?
There, spring.
No, a cotter pin.
That's kind of as it sounds.
Ooh, mama.
Alright,
I know. Just hold it and then I'll hold it down. Pull it off and just pull me out. I've got this if you want to walk.
drop it down.
I'm
Drop it down. Drop it down. Didn't mean to go down that fast. Alright, so I have a door that is 8 foot high. Didn't even pay attention to the fact that it only works with 7 foot doors. Didn't think about me having an 8 foot door. So we went to raise it up into place and we realized that the frame that was going to carry the new housing was considerably further back than what this tube was going to allow us to reach. So after looking at the manual and realized that I do in fact have a door that's taller than what the standard kit will work with. So I had to go to Lowe's, spend another $45 and buy the extension kit. So we're getting ready to take the old belt off and the end of the tube, put the longer kit on there, and then we'll put it back up into place. So we're just going to snap it into place. Go further. It's not quite in all the way.
Hold on. I'll help you.
Push the other direction. There we go. This time, I'm gonna run the trolley all the way up. Right there. Alright. Which it's still greased from last night when I put it together. So slide the idler pulley back inside. Reinstall that nut. Bolt. We'll fix the pulley alignment on it afterwards. And don't forget the spring washer. Spring washer. Alright. And that's going to hook right there. Locate the rail tab, use a flathead screwdriver, which I'll use this one that I got right here. And we're going to bend this up. Oh, better get a heavier screwdriver.
Noises.
And it has to be 90 degrees. I found it was easier to grab a set of pliers all the way up to the 90-degree position without running the risk of tearing my screwdriver up or maybe tearing up the rail tab. Grab the length of pulley here. Oop. Get my screwdriver out. Put that back in. All right. Now, make sure as you run this pulley around that it does not have any twists in it. That the side with the ribs on it always faces the rail without any rotations. And now we'll come back up to here. We'll let it rest there for. I'm going to take this trolley bolt here, run it in, and look down the length of it, make sure it's not twisted. Put the outer portion of the master link in place. Connect it to the trolley bolt. Put my flat plate back on there, the one that they didn't give me in the bag. Put this spring clip over it, over one side, and then line it up. So that's it, reassembled. Spring clip, flat plate, master link body itself, going through the trolley bolt, and the belt itself. There's my spring, and it kind of has a triangular shape. Looking from that end, that's the end that is going to thread on to the trolley bolt. So this square end is going to be the end exposed loose. And that's going to be the end that you work your wrench on. Alright, that's pretty much finger tight right there. Alright, so remove the screwdriver. Insert a flathead screwdriver tip into one of the nut ring slots and brace it firmly against the trolley. Now, that's kind of misleading. When I did this last night, the way they make it sound is you want to come in and kind of like try to twist that spring nut itself. But the way that you're turning it, you actually want to be pushing the other direction to keep the whole assembly from rotating. So, kind of actually works better. Pushing down into the spring washer, but keep your finger back from it when you twist because that spring's going to unload. About a quarter turn, just like that. You see how it released? Put a little extra tension on there. Now this silver washer right here is all the way up against the stop, and the spring has lengthened. Now, if it's like the other one, and it may not give a, it gives a distance here. So before you had 1 inch between the head of the square head bolt and that shoulder there and the spring washer, or the washer that's behind the spring, that was a solid inch. Once you release the tension, it should be 1.25 inches. So we'll grab my tape measure and we'll check. It's a little over. It's about 1 3/8. So it traveled about 1/8 of an inch further. No wonder. I might be able to tighten that up just a tad bit. Beautiful, right at 1.25 inches between the shoulder of the black square head and the silver washer. So we're going to call that the ideal tension on the belt. Socket's easier, so that's the route we're going. Starting by hand. Bolt, then whatever you're attaching, then washer, then nut. Yeah, so putting the wrench in like this, where it's not affected by the walls, I should say. Works just fine. Alright, solid, sturdy. Wide on the wide. Get lined up finally. There. So
Yep.
we've got everything in place. We're gonna program the up and down limits of the garage door opener now. Basically a quick instructional of what I'm gonna do. Not having done it yet, but from watching the video and reading the book, I'm gonna push the programming button. It's gonna flash telling me it's ready for me to program the up direction. So I'm gonna push and hold until it's at the desired position. No, I have to hit the adjustment button. Then the down button will flash. And then I'm going to push and hold the down button until the proper down position is reached. I'm going to push and hold the adjustment button. And then I'm going to push the up button. And it's going to show me how it goes up. I'm going to push the down button. It's going to show me how it goes down. And if I'm satisfied, then I'll leave it. It'll be done. Go in the up position. All right, ready?
Yeah. Now hit your adjustment button.
I think that's pretty good. I like
Yep.
it. Okay.
Looks good to me.
Now, if you have any questions or comments on how this went, feel free to throw them in the comment section. We'll write back to you as quick as we can. If this helped you out, hit the like button. As always, subscribe and hit the bell for our alerts so you can get them. Be the first one to watch our videos when they come out. And like I say, comment, give us some feedback, let us know what you thought of the video. Tell me I'm a dummy for forgetting to check what size door I had before. But yeah, give us some love, let us know what you think. We'll catch you around. Thanks for watching.